Hey y'all, how's it going today? Lionel here, getting ready to do an unboxing video and taking out the garbage. So first I'll drop my package off at the picnic table. And I'll take these over to the garbage can with me. And my daughter, the Canadian Queen. So we're gonna hope that I have the camera at the right angle. Yeah, I'm just dropping my box off over here first. My box right there. Where are we here? Where are we here? Oh, sorry.
Directly in the face.
Sorry. I really hope this thing is recording. Can you see?
It's fine. You don't have to record taking the garbage out.
Yeah, well, can you see if it's going?
I think so. Yep.
Okay.
You're gonna edit it, right?
Huh?
You're gonna edit it, right?
Why?
You smacked me in the face with a bag of garbage.
It was mainly plastic.
There was glass bottles in there, Dad.
Okay. I don't know how good the light is here also. Okay, well, I don't know if this is too high or not. Oh.
Perfect. Stay right there. You can barely see your camera. You can go see the box.
Okay.
Go back inside for a bit.
Yep. Love you. My daughter thinks I'm going to edit this. So, I hope you're all having a good day. And yes, this is my unboxing video of my new camera. So let's get into this, shall we? They say never cut towards yourself. That's only if you're not careful. Freaking packaging on this stuff. There we go. Let's see what we got. The famous bubble wrap. Well, bubble packaging. So we'll just No, it's not firecrackers. Get all that out of the way. So here we go. I hope you can see this. 4K, 30 frames per second. All kinds of good stuff on this. So yeah, this is my new Apex Cam. Ooh, look at this. I'm really hoping I'm holding this in to view. Nice solid case. Anything else in there? Nope, that's the only thing in there. So let's see what we got. Ooh. Apex camera. Waterproof case. It's not very heavy. The remote. Looks like possibly earbud or microphone. Not 100% sure which. Oh, nope, this is the microphone here. So this is a headset. Or something. I'll have to wait until I get inside and actually take a really good look at everything. There's a little bracket. More wires. What else is in here? Batteries. Battery charger. So yeah. That's my new Apex camera. Hope I'm saying that right. Well, I will definitely be making videos with this very soon. I just need to go inside, read through the instructions, charge up the batteries, all that fun stuff. So I'll get a review of all that. But yeah, hopefully this is going to be awesome. Okay, so all the garbage. It's all my garbage. Put that all right in there. I wonder if I can take this out of here without totally destroying everything. I can't see anything. Okay, so I'll say good day to y'all. Where's the light? There. I'll say good day to y'all. Have a great day. Hope you enjoy this. Like, subscribe. We'll see how things go. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye. Now, there is